Hey, do you want to pass the PTCB exam in 2020? Seriously? Follow these steps. Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com, and I'm about to give you some really applicable tips for you to pass the PTCB exam this year, okay? So pay attention closely, please. So the first thing I want to give you is this. You need to get set and solid study materials and stick with it, okay? One of the biggest things that I see students do, and one of the biggest mistakes that I see so many people that want to pass the PTCB exam do, is they don't get set study materials, okay? They get materials from over here, book from over there, a study guide from over there, and they try to piece it all together, and then they still end up being confused. So you need to get you some set study materials, okay? Get like 1 or 2 things maximum, okay? And stick with studying those materials. Got it? Are you sure you're gonna do it? Please, 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 I'm begging you, do that. Don't be all over the place. I'm telling you, it's gonna confuse you. Second thing that you wanna do is make sure that you understand pharmacy math, okay? Now, this is super duper key to passing the PTCB exam, because if you don't know math, you can just forget about it. Literally, you can forget about it. I've seen so many students ask questions like, do I really have to know math in depthly? I'm not saying that you have to be like a calculus major or a mathematician, but you definitely need to know basic algebra in order to do pharmacy math, all right? So get good at pharmacy math, pharmacy word problems, etc., and you will do fine on the PTCB exam this year. Lastly, I want you to make sure that you don't overthink the process. So many students overthink the process while they're studying. And when you do that, you can literally think yourself into a rut. Okay, so what do I mean by that? You're studying. You find out you're having a struggle on one specific part. And because you're having this struggle, you start overthinking. You start thinking about, am I going to fail? Oh my God, do I really know what's on the exam? Oh, I just feel so confused and I'm having such a hard time, and oh, I'm gonna fail it. I'm gonna bomb the exam and I just give up. Don't do that, okay? Don't overthink the process. Just relax, study the portions. I'm really good about saying this. At Pharmacy Tech Lessons, we have this key method that we teach students, and that is to focus on the areas that you are weak in and bring those up, okay? Not the strong areas, all right? So don't overthink the process. There's always a solution for every problem. There is a solution. Get that solution and you will do just fine on the PTCB exam. Okay, so as you know, and the reason that you're here at Pharmacy Tech Lessons is we've trained thousands upon thousands of students and helped them pass this exam, okay? So we're very experienced in what we do. If you need help with passing the PTCB or the ExCPT exam, then go ahead and click in the description. Click our free masterclass there. Go take the free masterclass. It's about an hour. It'll take about an hour or 2 of your time. I guarantee you will get a ton of value from it, and it will put you on track to passing the PTCB exam this year. And this is the perfect time to do it, okay? Because you're actually at this point, and at the time that you're seeing this video, okay, if it's soon enough, then you're actually able to take the PTCB exam from the comfort of your own home. So take advantage of that today, all right? Go ahead, get your studies in. This has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. You have a great day.